goodness. This is gonna be so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously today I'm in a different place in my house, and as you can see I'm in front of a huge box, and it is something called everyplate.com. I got like some free food, and I thought I might as well cook with you guys. How about that? Because I think it's such a convenient little thing. I'm actually not paid for this whole like situation to do this, but I just thought it would be a cool little video for you guys to join me as I make dinner. I picked some really interesting things actually, which I will show you just now. And I'm actually really excited because I feel like this is just so ridiculously convenient. So come a little closer, guys. Come and check this out. So these are the meals that I picked for dinner. So I picked the 3 meals a week option. 3 dinners a week option because I feel like that's the only time I'm gonna have anyways. And it is a crispy parm frico burger, which is right there, an ancho chili meatloaf, which is right there, and pork schnitzel, which is right there. I think I want to make the ancho chili meatloaf, so that's what I'm gonna make for you guys today. And it just basically gives you what the things you need on here, which they've put in the box, and as well it gives you step-by-step instructions, like ridiculously step-by-step instructions, very much so, and then you just follow it to the 9. So I'm gonna follow it to the 9. I probably will have to add some flavor, guys, because I'm pretty sure it's not as spicy or it's not as tasty as I would like, but I mean, I will start with their flavoring and see what that tastes like, and then if I'm not feeling it, I will add some stuff, but you'll see all that. Oh, it does say at the bottom you'll need vegetable oil, ketchup, sugar, and butter. I will be adding some Maggi and some salt. If you're Nigerian, you know what Maggi is. So yeah, and it says prep in 10 minutes and ready in 35. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna separate out the ingredients according to what I'm supposed to use, and then we'll get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this out of the way and make sure that I have ancho chili meatloaves, the ingredients I need for that. So that's ground beef, so that's zucchini, and that's sweet potato. What else do I need? Chili pepper, ground beef, of course, ancho chili powder, 1 clove of garlic, and I believe that's it. Let's get to it. The first things first, it says preheat the oven to 450 degrees, wash and dry all produce, peel and finely chop garlic, trim and halve zucchini lengthwise, slice crosswise into 1/2-inch half moons, peel and dice potatoes into half pieces. Okay, that sounds more complicated than it is, but what they're basically saying is cut the things into dices. Okay, so I'm gonna just quickly preheat the oven to 450, they said. Okay, and I'm just gonna let it sit, and then it says wash and dry all produce. So I'm gonna wash all the things that I need. Real quick. So I'm gonna quickly do the garlic, and then I'm gonna quickly do the potatoes, and then we'll get to the beef. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so now it says in a medium bowl, soak bread with 3 tablespoons of water. So I'm just gonna go earshot here, guys. So I'm assuming that's 3 tablespoons. And then so soak the bread and let it absorb and then break up with hand until pasty. So I'm just gonna let that bread soak it up. I'll tell you, the texture of the bread is not like normal texture. It's a bit hard. So I don't think you can, I don't know. You can probably use your own bread, to be honest. But maybe dry it up a little bit first before you put it in the water. But there you go. So now it's soaking, yeah? Okay, so that's until pasty. So then it says, add the beef, garlic, and ancho chili powder. I like to wash my beef first, regardless of whether or not the seal is supposed to be something washed, because I just don't trust it. Okay, and it says, add the beef, the garlic. So I'm gonna add the garlic on the corner right here. I like a bit of garlic, so I used about 1 big clove and like 2 small ones. And then it says add beef, garlic, and 1¾ of the ancho chili powder. So now I'm gonna add some ancho chili powder. It says add 3/4 tablespoon of ancho chili powder. It says we're gonna use the rest later on, apparently. Yeah, I like my beef patty to taste good. Okay, so that's some ancho chili powder, some salt, and Cameroon pepper. I'm gonna add Maggi just because, or Knorr cubes, just 1 Knorr cube, just because I just want it to taste a little better, that's all. I'm not sure what this is gonna taste like, but I just feel like my own stuff need more flavor. That's all. And then now I'm gonna mix all that in. Okay, so this is, the next step is to shape the beef texture into 2-inch tall loaves and place on one side of the baking sheet. So this is my baking sheet right here. And on an empty side of it, the zucchini, arrange the zucchini and toss with, drizzle with oil and salt. To make my patties, shape them into, it says shape them into 1-inch tall, but I'm gonna make mine a bit taller. My zucchini gonna use to have a little bit more flavor is I do put some olive oil, some sea salt, and some pepper, but I put Cameroon pepper and some Maggi because I just need more flavor. I just do. So I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. It's extra virgin olive oil, just to make sure that everything is touching it. It's touching every single one. Extra virgin olive oil. Just a little bit. Some Cameroon pepper. Just a teensy bit. It's enough to touch it. Just enough to touch some of them. No cubes. I might have to add some more, maybe 1 more. Actually, no, that might be fine. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer the zucchini and the meatloaf into the oven, and then I will go into the next step. So I'll be right back in a second, guys. Okay, so now the next step is I've put the meatloaves to roast in the oven and the zucchini. So now I'm supposed to put some water in here and put the sweet potatoes on medium heat to boil with some salted water and cover by 2 inches. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna put salt in this. I'm just gonna put Knorr cubes and that's it. And then afterwards, when I'm mashing it, I'm gonna put chili and everything else. So while that is cooking, I'm just gonna chop up the pepper. So ancho chili powder, ketchup, and some honey, and I'm gonna mix it in the bowl. But I'm not, it says add sugar. I'm not gonna add sugar because I don't like sugar. Although I do have brown sugar. I don't know if I should add brown sugar, to be honest. But I think I'm just gonna add honey. If I don't have honey, then I'll add sugar, but I think I have honey. I don't know if I've run out of honey. I personally don't like sweeteners. So yeah. So here's the chili. The leftover ancho. Brown sugar. Mix it together, and then when the meatloaves are roasted, you baste it over it and then put it back in the oven. In the oven for about 20 minutes at this point. They said 15, but I'm doing 20. So what I need to do, baste the meatloaves. I'm gonna take the zucchini off the tray. I'm not gonna put it back in the oven. I'm actually gonna take it off and dish it in the plate. But now I'm gonna baste the meatloaf. And I make that sauce deep inside. So, as you can see, this is all the meatloaf juice at the bottom, but I'm gonna leave it there because that's some flavor. Okay, so the potatoes are boiled. Tell me in the comment section below if you also do this thing where you clean as you go, because it just makes life easier. I hate having to clean over after I finish cooking. It's just the most annoying thing. So I'd rather just get the cooking out of the cleaning out of the way as I go along in between. And so I'm adding a bit of Cameroon pepper, salt, so there you go. That's the brown and mash over there. I mean, because it's sweet potato, you might not want to do it like this. This really depends. It tastes really good though, so maybe try it. Just give it a little, just a teeny bit of a, not burn, but just a, like over dry the potatoes so that it's a bit charred at the bottom. So good, guys. I'm gonna take this baby out. Ooh, can you see the juice? Yes. And look at this baby, girl. Ooh, how juicy does that look, guys? So good. So there you go. So that's our dinner. See? Gorgeous. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you want to see more videos like this of me cooking in my kitchen. It could be different things. You just never know what it is. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right here. Thank you so much. And also, please, 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 leave in the comment section and tell me what you like about this food. If you think the browning thing is cute or if it just looks mushy and looks like mud, hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you in my next video. Ciao. Catch you in my next video. Ciao. Goodness. This is going to be so good. So good, guys. I'll definitely catch you in my next video. See ya.